my name is Stanley and I'm from RC Tank Legion. Today we're doing the test drive video after the first part of unboxing the latest Heng Long T-72 tank. So we're going to show you what's the difference between the 5.3 and the latest version 6. The controls are different. I just went through the manual and we'll show you what's the difference. Okay, so the tank has similarities with the old one, where when you turn on the tank with the battery, it will start flashing. It's to let you know this is on standby mode. And the radio is very similar to the previous model. When you turn it on, the difference is that when it starts up, it has a beep sound. And of course, to start the engine, you press the key button. Let me turn down the volume so we can hear each other. Okay, so as usual, the current up down is here. Driving it is a similar machine gun. Of course, you can change different sounds, but let's stick with that. BB, you press these two silver buttons together. Okay, it comes with a new manual meant specifically for the 6.0 and 6.1. It has more details. It shows all the parts and where all the wires go to. It even has very detailed diagrams of where each function and plugs into, or which port for each 6.1 or 6.0. And one thing that was quite surprising, this is pretty obvious, putting on batteries, transmitter instructions. One thing that is new to the version 6 is that you can actually do some preset stuff. Turning on the front light, turning on the rear light, which is not available last time. And you can do some trim, fine-tuning on the transmitter itself, and you can even put it onto high-speed mode for driving or low-speed mode. And this would be okay. One thing that's new. This is tank recoil. This is new. You can actually change the setting of tank recoil just by pressing the buttons K and S, which is over here, K and S. So just by pressing it together, you can hear a beep sound, and it will change the tank recoil setting. To change the recoil, you press S and K. See, there's more. Let me change again. Okay. Let's see if there's any more. Okay, no recoil. No recoil. So we have 3 or 4 settings here. See, it cycles through from the lowest to the highest setting. And the rest are pretty much similar, which is the speaker and smoke switch. There are 4 sounds now. Tiger 1 or Leopard 2, T-90 or the Abrams. Okay guys, so it comes with 4 different sounds. So right now it's on the T-90 sound. I'm going to turn up the volume so you might not hear what I say, but you can hear the tank. Oops, okay, that's low. Okay, this is the highest. This is the T-90 sound. So you can hear the sound of the whine of the turbo diesel. Changing sound, pressing G and K. And this is the Abrams turbine sound. Sound This would be the Tiger 1. I think you guys are quite familiar with this sound. This is the Leopard. And as included, all new version 6 tanks come with an infrared bellow unit to be put onto the tank here. You plug it here, stick it on the magnet right here. Okay, all in all, this is pretty much impressive because it is a big improvement over the previous generation 5.3. The version 6 and 6.1 comes with 4 different sounds, as I mentioned earlier, which is the Tiger 1, Leopard 2, T-90, and the M1 Abrams sound set. This is a huge improvement along with the other features that I mentioned earlier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. So please like, share, and subscribe.